days ago I ordered some compression socks and they came in the mail. So I'm going to unbox them because I got a variety pack. Don't forget your handy knife. I got a variety pack, so I'm not sure exactly what's in it, but you shall see. So compression socks are supposed to be really good for people that have issues with swelling in their feet and their ankles and such. So looks like it comes in a cute little bag. Cool little, this is a cool bag. Anyways, why I can't get into it, I'm not sure exactly, but I can have a knife. Alright, so the first pair of socks I got, adorable. They have bees on them. Pretty cool. I'll have to figure out this company again because I have nothing else in the box. It just says Blue Maple compression socks below the knee. So the next one, adorable as well. These are pretty cute. Boats on them and anchors. So I plan on wearing these in the evening when I sleep. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? There are flags like racing, and it's funny because I absolutely love racing. Not necessarily NASCAR racing, but racing. Oh my gosh, look how cute these are. They have watermelon. I just happen to have a giant watermelon in my refrigerator right now. Pretty cool. So I got 7 pairs. Oh, I love these. This is awesome. I'm pretty patriotic. Red, white, and blue is a big deal for me. So these are kind of cool. How awesome is that? Although they kind of look like they're from Britain or something. What's up, dude? You want to say hi? Aww. He's over there watching me. Take out all the socks. You silly baby. Oh, thank you. Okay, off. Alright. How cute is this? I love me some polka dots. I'm kind of all about different textures and different material. It's kind of cool. It's actually red in there, or orange. Can't wait to wear all these. And last but not least, more American flag ones. How cute is that? Awesome. So I will take a picture and also a link to this purchase that I did of compression socks. Super excited to start wearing them, and I can mix and match, which I'm kind of a weird person like that and like to do that. So anyways, I will give you a review on compression socks as soon as I wear them. Otherwise, the link I will post in my Facebook, I'm sorry, my Instagram, and then just follow it to my YouTube. Sorry, that's what happens when you have shit like this on your brain. It'll be on my YouTube, and as much as I can, if you need a link, just text message me or message me through my Facebook or my Instagram. Anyways, excited to start wearing these. Hopefully it'll help. Otherwise, if you have any questions, just DM me or message me. Alright, have a great day. Have a good weekend, actually.